Hello Robotics. In this video, we'll see how to create survival drop game in Roblox Studio. So ideally simple. So on the base plate, your player is going to roam around here and there, and red blocks and green blocks is going to drop from the top. So we have to touch the green blocks to get the points. So if you touch the red block, your player is going to die. That's simple. Okay. So let's create. So first of all, we need to click on base plate. You can see over there. So once you click on it, you can see base plate and the spawn location. Let's play once. So how it works, I'm going to show you. So you can see my robot player on the screen. Just checking back, it's moving around, right, left, backwards, all the directions. Yeah, it's working good. So let me stop the game. So first, let's add the script to this Roblox Studio. First, we need to click on Server Script Service and then click on Script. Let's rename this script to Falling Boxes Script. Okay, it's simple, right? And then I'm going to copy and paste the code. This code, I'm going to give it in a comments. You just copy paste it on your screen. Okay. And this line will help you to change the base plate size to a little bit smaller. And you can see here bright green, bright red blocks I'm creating. And then we can see the next line, humanoid.health equals to 0. That means whenever I touch the red block, so humanoid is going to die. Humanoid means the player, okay? And this line is for to increase the points. So 100 points whenever you touch the green block. So now let's see. So now you can see on the screen, red blocks falling on the base plate. Whenever I touch the green block, it's vanishing. So next one, we need to add a points label. So I'm copy paste the same different code here. You can see points is 0. And if you go to the place one, we need to add a sound, right? So click on the toolbox. Whenever you touch the green block, we need a sound. So I'm going to add a coin sound. That sounds like I'm getting a point. Okay, done. But one more thing, we need to drop that sound in the replicated storage. And if you go to the local script, here you can say I mentioned points sound. So we need to give the same name, then only it works. So I'm renaming that sound right now. Done. Let's go back to the place one, where our base plate, everything is there. Let's play. Oh, I forgot to add one more thing. We need to add background music, right? Then only the game is going to be really interesting. So I'm going to add this one sound, random sound. So if you want to just listen and then pick one good sound for your game. So, and also I'm going to reduce the volume of the background sound a little bit. I don't want like too high. And I want to play all the time. So for that, I'm just selecting looped. So when it comes to the point sound, this 0.1, let's increase to 1. Then only you can hear it, or else like background music is going to dominate the point sound. Yeah, done. So I think we added everything. Let's play now.